Your skin might feel less firm and starts to sag. Without enough collagen, your joints can become less flexible and more painful. But as you enter your mid-20s, collagen starts depleting from your body. This means vegetarians might not get enough collagen from their diet. Collagen एक स्किन केयर ट्रेंड नहीं है, इट्स अ वाइटल कॉम्पोनेंट फॉर अ हेल्दी वाइब्रेंट स्किन. बट collagen एग्जैक्टली करता क्या है and why is it so important for our bodies? In this video, we will learn why firm and elastic skin is essential and how to overcome dietary challenges to achieve this. Additionally, we will understand its surprising benefits for joint health and highlight its value as a great protein source. अगर आप स्मूदर स्किन, स्ट्रॉन्गर जॉइंट और ओवरऑल वेलनेस के लिए एम कर रहे हैं, देन कोलाजन माइट बी द आंसर यू हैव बीन लुकिंग फॉर. So let's get started. Imagine your skin as rubber band. When it's full of collagen, it is stretchy and snaps back easily. But as you age, this rubber band loses its elasticity, leading to saggy skin and wrinkles. Collagen is basically a glue that holds everything together. It keeps your skin smooth and elastic. Collagen is the most abundant protein in our body. Think of it as a building block that gives your skin its firmness and elasticity. ये आपके bones को strengthen करता है and also keeps your joints flexible. Just like oiling the creaky door hinge, collagen helps maintain joint flexibility and mobility. And hence, collagen supplement can help you reduce joint pain and stiffness, allowing you to move with ease. Now the question is, how can you identify the deficiency symptoms? If you're low on collagen, you may experience several symptoms. सबसे ज़्यादा noticeable है skin elasticity. Your skin might feel less firm and starts to sag. आपको फाइन लाइंस और रिंकल्स फेस पे दिखना चालू हो जाता है. Another very common symptom is joint pain and stiffness. Without enough collagen, your joints can become less flexible and more painful. Additionally, you might notice that your wounds take longer to heal. But ये सब होता क्यों है? Because you're aging. आपकी बॉडी एक फैक्ट्री है जो कोलेजन प्रोड्यूस करती है. But as you enter your mid-20s, collagen starts depleting from your body, resulting in all the symptoms like fine lines, wrinkles, and joint pain. It's like your body's collagen bank account starts with a lot of saving, but the balance goes down as you spend it over the years. Hence, 10% collagen starts depleting every decade. अगर आप vegetarian हो, then also it can be a risk factor for low collagen levels. Because many natural food sources of collagen such as fish, meat, chicken bone broth आपके vegetarian diet में होता ही नहीं है. This means vegetarians might not get enough collagen from their diet, potentially leading to lower collagen levels in their body. Think of it as trying to build a house without bricks. If you don't have the raw material, you cannot create a strong structure. You can also say excessive sun exposure, poor diet, smoking भी collagen production कम होने का कारण हो सकता है. These factors can break down collagen faster than your body can produce it, leading to deficit. अब इसे solve कैसे करें? Try and take collagen supplement जो various forms में आता है, जैसे कि powder, tablet, drinks, making it easy to add them to your daily routine. You can mix collagen powder just with water or your morning smoothies. Take a tablet with your meals or enjoy a collagen shot. Also, research ये show करता है collagen supplements can improve skin elasticity, support joint health and reduce wrinkles. Collagen peptide supplementation आपके body को positively impact करके body composition, collagen synthesis and recovery from joint injury and exercise ये सबको बेटर करता है और आपके सारे नोन सिम्टम्स को रिजॉल्व करता है. फॉर जनरल स्किन हेल्थ, स्टडीज सजेस्ट टेकिंग 2.5 to 10 grams of collagen per day. A higher dose of around 10 grams daily can be more effective. Now let's understand which type of collagen is good for skin. Type 1 collagen is the most abundant in the skin and is best for improving skin health. ये आपके स्किन की इलास्टिसिटी और हाइड्रेशन को इम्प्रूव करेगा and will also help in reducing wrinkles. Marine collagen derived from fish is rich in type 1 collagen and is highly bioavailable because of its small molecular size, meaning it's easily absorbed by the body. Now let's understand which type of collagen is good for bones. Type 2 collagen is best for joint and bone health. ये आपके cartilage में मिलता है and helps cushion joint and maintain their flexibility. Non-fish collagen, which is high in type 2 collagen, is particularly beneficial for supporting joint health and reducing pain associated with osteoarthritis and other joint conditions. Now the question is, can men take collagen? Absolutely, men and women both can consume collagen and take collagen supplements for their overall wellness. लड़कों में generally joint pain आता है by activities like sports and heavy lifting. and collagen can help alleviate this discomfort and improve recovery. इसलिए adding collagen in your daily routine can make a noticeable difference in how you feel and look. From smoother skin to comfortable joints, the benefits are worth it. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, subscribe to this channel.